Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. It's Wednesday, April 15th. It's tax day, except tax day's been extended. So it's also like three of my friends' birthdays. So it's an exciting day. And it's an exciting day because that's back. So I'm sorry I missed spring break. I'm sorry I missed yesterday and Monday. But I'm going to make it up to you by doing an unboxing. I'm going to unbox my stickers that came yesterday. So hopefully this will make up for all those days you didn't get any stickers. You get to see how today just got happier. So, got my scissors. And here we go. All right. So let's see. They make this look so much easier. Okay, let's see here. Anyway, I was thinking about you and missing you. So I wanted to do something that was a little special today, but also to start my videos over again because I miss doing them and I miss you and I hope that you like them. And if you don't like them, that's okay. I like them and a couple of you do. So that's enough for me. Alrighty. Oh, let's get in here and unlock this happiness. Okay. All right. So here we go. Every month, my packet comes in a shiny iridescent thing like this. And I'm saving these so I'm going to do an art project with them. Because otherwise they just end up in the landfill and that's not happy, is it? All right. So first things first, we have a magazine. We have a sticker zine. So you can look through here and there's all sorts of information. And there is a ticket. So maybe tomorrow I'll tell you if I win or not. Can't even wait. And then memory stickers, and then the design studio and a sneak peek, and then their newest collaborator. So that is the sticker zine that I enjoy reading. All right, what's in here? Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, the whole thing full of love. Oh my gosh. So this is something very special for you because as you recall, you never got my special stickers. So these are quarantine special stickers for the class of 2020 and no one else. Ready? All right, here we go. There's this one. It says relax, take a break, and look at all those wonderful people doing relaxing things and taking a break. Oh, that one's cool. I like that one. Oh my goodness, we're getting ready for spring and summer. Some overalls. Overall, you're awesome. Ah, so fun. How about these? Bunnies and hearts. Oh my gosh. Dressed to impress. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, how about these, huh? These are kind of new agey. I like them. I like this one, huh? Yeah. Good stuff. Very cool. I don't know, I might say these are myself avocados. Avocados. That's how my niece, when she was a bitty girl, said it. So cool. Avocados of love. How about this? This looks like something I'd be interested in because I'm writing my books. I'm writing 2 books. Look at that. I could do it on my typewriter. Oh my goodness, put those 2 together and that's my quarantine, writing and coffee. Oh my gosh, those are really pretty. Coffee, smile, laugh, repeat. I guess so. Oh, I know some of you that would like these. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so much love today. So much love today. And I love Pipstick because they always have really neat kind of retro looking stickers. I love it. Oh my goodness, some of us would like this. I put some makeup on today because I was so excited to see you. So this looks like what I used today. How about this? Too rad to be sad. Oh my gosh, that one's perfect. I should put that one on my forehead. All right, here you go. You are powerful. Keep your chin up. Oh, nice little notes about how awesome you are. And to keep going. Look at these. These are hilarious. You get a medal or a ribbon for calling your bestie, for getting lots of sleep, for speaking your mind. Oh my gosh, those are cool. Okay, how about these? These are cool. Cassette tapes and records and headphones. Those are neat. Oh, and then here's our yoga. Love it. Have you been doing yoga? I really haven't. I should probably get going. That would probably help my brain. I've been walking though. That's how I do it. And then there's always a postcard in here. So you can take your notes, your topic, your beliefs about the topic, your intentions about the topic, and your actions, because that's how it goes, right? A topic, beliefs, intentions, and actions. That's awesome. And then on this side, manifested, I believe, I know, I will. Those seem like they're kind of connected. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, and there's my packet. So yay, I just wanted to unbox the sticker love with you today because I thought it might be something special to do, getting back into the swing of things. Throughout the week, I'll tell you what I did over my break. I'll tell you what I've been thinking about, what I've been doing. But most importantly, I just wanted to send you a quick little message to tell you I love you, that you are special to me, that I'm thinking of you, that I'm missing you. And I don't have all the answers right now, but direct instruction's gonna start in earnest on April 22nd. So that's a week from today. So stay tuned, and that's when you'll hear more about the assignments and all the stuff that we're going to do moving forward. We've got some great stuff coming up. So I love you. I think you're wonderful. I miss you. I don't know how you're doing. What did you do for spring break? Maybe you should tell us in the comments, or you can make a video. We love you. We miss your face. All right. Have a great day. I'm Stud out. Ooh, I love you.